What say, Mr. Perkins?
Okay, YouTube, so that kind of concludes my whole spiel on how to make a in-grain cutting board. And as my last video did show, I just put oil on it and sealed it in with some butcher block conditioner, which is easy to find. I get mine at Menards. I can try to figure out how to put a link in the description. Not sure how to do it just yet. I'll figure it out by the time I post it, I hope. But it did turn out great. I found out that if I chamfer the edges before I plane it the last time, it tends to chip out less, and it has less likely of a chance to kick it across my garage like I have had in the past. That's not cool. Sometimes adding a sacrificial board is a good thing unless it is a soft wood like pine, which I found out that the sideways, well, the blade moves with the wood. So as it's chipping this all out, it's just going to take a huge chunk, and when it hits that end grain from the side grain, it's just going to fling it. And so I chamfered the edges, I planed it down, and I hand chamfered it with my block plane, which, like I said before, is actually really fun. But it turned out to be a really great project. I don't know if I'm going to be selling this at work or online. I might just sell it online, and I might also put contact information for that. So, until next time, until my next project, it's been really fun. Mosquitoes in my shop. I'm Rob Waldrop with the Waldrop Workshop, and this is my end grain cutting board. Thank you. And if you like the video, I keep forgetting to say this, if you like the video, hit the little like button if you really like it. Go ahead and subscribe, because this is not like the only stuff that I do. I do a lot of projects, and I will be coming up on my bandsaw box. I also have to finish a closet door. I have to make 2 screen doors for people, which those are actually pretty easy and fun to do. So stick around, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.